Before you read the article, it's a good idea to read the answer choices. This will give you an idea of what to look for as you read the text. So the first step is read the answer choices. In question 1, the question is, what is the overall structure of the article Power in the Poo? Choice A says, the article explains the problem of the large quantity of animal waste and trash that usually goes into landfills and how the Denver Zoo is turning that waste into a source of energy. Well, if that answer is correct, then the article should be organized by problem and solution. The article should say that the large amount of animal waste and trash that goes into the landfills is a problem, and then it should talk about how the Denver Zoo has solved this problem by turning the waste into a source of energy. So when you read the article, you should look to see if it does that. Option B, choice B, says the text uses comparison to show the differences between Denver Zoo's extensive recycling program and how other zoos are handling recycling. So if this is the correct answer, the article is organized by compare and contrast. The article should describe Denver Zoo's recycling program, and it should also name other zoos and talk about how their recycling programs are different than the one at the Denver Zoo. Choice C says it uses a chronological or time sequence structure to explore the history of the Denver Zoo's attempts to reduce the amount of waste going into landfills. So if this answer is correct, the article is organized in sequence. The article should describe in order the different ways the Denver Zoo has tried to reduce the waste they send to landfills. The article would probably say what year each attempt happened. And then finally, choice D says it describes how a lot of Denver Zoo's waste ends up in landfills and the impact or effects that this waste has on the environment. If this is the correct answer, the article would be organized by cause and effect. The article should explain how a lot of the zoo's waste goes into the landfills. The waste going into landfills is the cause. The article should also describe how all this waste affects the environment. This is the effect. So now that we have read each of the choices, it's time to read the article.